Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to enable or disable automatic login after a Windows update in Windows 11. Let's begin with step 1. Open Settings and go to the Sign In options. To do that, open the search menu, type Settings, and then click on the Settings result. On the left-hand side, select the option called Accounts. Next, look to the right and click on Sign In options. Now step 2, turn on automatic logon after updates. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Additional Settings. There, find the setting that says Use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. To enable this feature, turn the switch to on, or if you want to disable it, turn it to off. And that's it. Windows will now sign in for you automatically after it updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.